guys, welcome back to our channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and turn on those notification bell to know when we upload a new video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you do not like how Adopt Me changed it to the reindeer nose to be green, I have a solution for you. So yes, let's go. So first you need to get a brown spray paint, any color brown you want. I like this one. Then you have to spray it 4 times to get to the neon. And you can spray it more colors, but I just spray it all brown. So once the ears turn turn the color brown, or whatever color you're using, then you get red, or whatever color nose you want. And then you spray it again, once red, and ta-da! It's back to Rudolph. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time. Bye!